Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a solar panel thing, I think. Let's open this up. Amazon tag. Okay, let's see what this looks like here. It's very well packaged in tape. Okay, so here we go. Move this out of the way. Let me just see if there's anything else in this box. There is. All the way down in there. I have this. And that's it. Okay. The box is officially empty. So what we have here is the solar panels. So this is cool. Then we have the solar charge controller here. So let's see how this thing looks. And we have our instructions. So this is the little solar charge controller device. 12-volt battery. It will charge the 12-volt batteries. Here is our instructions for it. And it's getting windy in here. And here we have the wires and stuff to connect everything up. So let's see how we will do this. Just we'll set it up here and we can try to go outside, which is right around the corner, and see what we got. So we have, so this is the in, so that will be to the solar panel. Kind of has pictures on it there. You can see that one's going to be to the solar panel. So that, let it go in there. Let's see, how do we do this? Doesn't seem like it's going to fit. It's like physically the wrong size. Is it? Maybe I need a lot of these wires to go to it to do it. That's gonna be wires. Do all these things fit? Those are gonna fit. Is this? This? Oh, this is gonna be it here. This is gonna be my extender wire. Ha ha ha. I guess it doesn't go directly to the controller. It goes from the wire from the solar panel into this other wire here. So the panel can be a distance from the little controller device. So then the controller device will go into this one here, much better. And then we have it where we can go to a battery or to a load. So let's see if I get it to, this would be like if I wanted to connect it up to a 12-volt battery, you know, one of the car battery or something like that to charge it as an emergency or something. This one here gives me the ability to connect it up to whatever the heck I want. And then this one here gives me the ability to connect it up to different charging devices. So I have all these different plugs so I can get a variety of different sizes to make it work. So how cool is that? But let's go outside and see if this thing works when it lights up. Or here, oh, does it even work inside here? I'm in a big shed with a lot of light. It does not, but let's head outside and see what happens.